Okay, we got internet asking us, can you solve 2 square roots of x minus 14 equal to 288 over square root of x equal to how many? They are asking us. Of course we can solve it, right? So let's suppose we make square root of x equal to a, then we can rewrite this as 2a minus 14 equal to 288 over a, right? This is a, this is a. We both time, we actually can simplify it, but we will do it later. So a square minus 2a square times a. On top, we time a. On the left side, we time a. On the right side, we will equally time a. So a 2a square minus 14a equal to 288, both divided by 2, a square minus 7a, and this is 114. We can move it here to minus 144 equal to 0, right? So this one we can do 144 is 16 times 9, right? 16, 9, and this is negative, so I put here a negative sign. Are you seeing what I'm writing? So this is negative 16 plus 9 is negative 7. So a minus 16 times a plus 9 equal to 0. A is 16. A is negative 9. And square root, so square root of x equal to 16, then x is 256. Square root of x is negative 9, does not exist in our real world. So the answer is as x equal to 245. That is x, 245. That's it. So we have figured out x equal to 256, and this does not exist. We will not consider it, but we need to prove this is right. So we will bring this number back into our original equation. X is 256, so 2 times square root of 256 minus 14 on the left side is 2 times 16 minus 14 equals 32 minus 14 equal to 18. On the right side is 228 over square root of x. So left, right, 288 over square root of 256 equal to 288 over 16. 288 16 6848equal 18. So left side is 18, right side is 18. We are perfect. So again, one more time, x equal to 256 for sure. Nobody can prove me wrong.